Hello my friends, it's diys-by-dar, and I am going to take a little run at the homesteading section that I would like to work with everybody on. It is cucumber or pickle season, and we're kind of getting down to the end here in Michigan, but I have a super duper recipe that doesn't really take a whole lot to get ready, and these are really awesome. They're crunchy, and they probably won't last in your refrigerator for longer than a week or two. So I have my cucumbers here. I have them washed. I'm going to go ahead and cut the ends off, and I'm going to peel them, and then I'm going to go ahead and slice them and layer them inside my 1 quart container here, and I will set you up with how that recipe works. So for now, you're going to need the pickles, you're going to need a nice Vidalia onion, and you're going to need some salt, and you're going to need some ice cubes, because we're going to layer them inside this bowl with the ice cubes and let them sit for a few hours so they shrink down and they lose some of their water content, and that is the secret to keeping their crispiness. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to put the lid on, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for a few hours, 2 hours, 3 hours. Okay, I took the cucumbers out of the refrigerator, and they've been in there probably 3 hours, and some of the ice is still left, so just take the remainder of the ice out, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to dump the water out as best you can without losing any cucumbers. Look for any other ice that might still be in there. And I was doing dishes, so I have clean hands, plus these are just staying at my house, so it's cool. All right, there's probably about 4.5 cups of cucumbers in there. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of distilled white vinegar. So 2-to-1 ratio. 1 teaspoon of celery seeds. Stir it all together. And of course, you can tweak this however your taste buds would like. One thing I do is I try a cucumber. Make sure they have enough salt before you put the sugar in. Just want to stir it. It doesn't have to be completely dissolved. Stir it, and there you have it. Sometimes I'll eat them right away, but really they're best if you leave them overnight and dig into them the next day. Just give them a good stir, and they'll be good to go. I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator. And hey, thanks for learning how to make pickles with me today. See you later.